G'day, Dobie.
Hi, welcome back to Auto Tip-Off. Enjoy today's video. Yours for just £310,500. What's new for 2022? McLaren has revealed the 765lt Spider. A convertible version of one of the supercar manufacturer's most extreme machines, boasting blistering acceleration and a 205 mph top speed. The 765lt Spider is Woking's, that's Woking, Surrey in England, bid to up the ante in the wind in the hair supercar stakes. Just what I could do with, yes please, but essentially it is also another brick in the LT wall of a more exclusive breed of McLaren. Strengthening the LT ethos of limited availability, Woking says it will make 765 765lt Spiders, the same number as 765lt coupes, all of which are now sold. The new Spiders are not all sold from 2022 on, so get in there quick. All you need to bag one is £310,500, plus your options. Seriously now, I wouldn't be making YouTube vids if I had that amount to spare. Don't worry, I won't be giving up the day job just yet. What do you get? Basically, a McLaren 765lt, one of the most prized models that Woking has made. The coupe-to-spider transformation follows exactly the route taken by other McLaren models. That's made possible because the carbon fiber MonoCage II tub at the center of things is just as amenable, and as stiff, in either coupe or convertible form.
The Spider's profile, aero and powertrain are all as the coupe, as is the cabin apart from a couple of extra buttons, one to retract the single-piece carbon roof panel, in 11 seconds, and one to retract the rear window. You don't have to retract the rear glass, but since out the back, there's a new quad pipe, all titanium, top exit exhaust system, it would surely be a shame not to. If this car looks good, as it does, it should sound even better. The Spider still weighs more than the coupe, chiefly thanks to the hardtop and its electric mechanism. At a best of 1,388 kilograms, it is 49 kilograms heavier than the 765lt coupe, though it is worth remembering that this is still 80 kilograms lighter than the 720S Spider, itself no heavyweight. McLaren says the Spider leads the class for power to weight with a ratio of 598 PS per ton, but you can probably forget that if you decide you can't live without the no-cost extra aircon and audio systems. The powertrain is the well-known 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8, which, like the erstwhile coupe, develops 800 Nm, 592 pound-feet, of torque with headline power of 765 PS, 572 kilowatts, or 45 PS, 33 kilowatts, upon its closest rival, the Ferrari F8 Spider. There are some teeny differences between the acceleration times of the coupe and the Spider, but mentioning them would be splitting hairs. The new Spider is just as searingly fast.
The figures then: 0 to 62 mph in 2.8 seconds, 0 to 124 mph in 7.2 seconds, the quarter mile in 10.0 seconds, and a top speed of 205 mph. As with the LT coupe, optimized gearing perks up in-gear acceleration by as much as 15% over the 720S, says McLaren. Underneath, the fastest McLaren convertible carries on where the LT coupe left off, with the same bespoke springs and dampers, increased front track, lower front ride height, and special software for the proactive chassis control 2 suspension. One unique change for the Spider is an active rear wing that has been calibrated for roof open, roof closed positions. The cabin follows LT form with its carbon racing seats, center tunnel, exposed carbon floor, and lightweight Alcantara throughout. A nice place to be then, whether the sun is out or not. The mid-engined V8 genre was not born to be roofless but for decades in Italy, and now the UK. The Spider variant is just too important to ignore. Owners like to be seen driving their supercars too much. The way McLaren tells it, driver engagement, dynamic ability, and a little bit of pose value don't have to be mutually exclusive. There you go. We hope we've helped you with your understanding of the 2022 McLaren 765lt Spider, so to better choose the vehicle according to your tastes. Thanks for being with us. That's it for today. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If we haven't convinced you about McLaren 765lt Spider, coming up on your screen now is other videos that may help you to consider another type of car. That's it, we're off down the pub. Cheers for now.